Question: what's the fastest, easiest, and most reliable way to keep your family healthy during these very uncertain times?
The answer might surprise you. Hi, I'm Sandra.
I'm Alex Mandossian, and we are your co-hosts for the upcoming Health Squad Summit, now sponsored by Success Resources Virtual Events.
For the first time in history, the world's largest seminar company is bringing the top health advisors to come right into your family's living room for 3 nights only.
And imagine your entire family gets live access to the top authorities on 3 critical topics so that you and your family can finally enjoy the most healthy lifestyle without the stress, without the worry, without the unnecessary cost of the air travel, hotel fees, and all those long and irritating security lines. And the best part of all is you pay nothing.
Plus, you also get the rare opportunity to learn time-tested health advice and strategies for both your mind and your body to anticipate what to do during and after the current virus going around, which is hurting so many families throughout the world who don't know how to cope.
Okay, so now that we've gotten your attention, we want you to know that our #1 goal is to give your family a specific plan to not only prevent, but to improve your overall health and stamina in any given situation, even during the global lockdown.
Remember, Success Resources Virtual is picking up 100% of the tab. So all you need is an internet connection.
Look, we could go on and on about why this Health Squad Summit could be your family's opportunity of a lifetime and learn to succeed together. But instead, here's a sneak peek at just 3 of the counterintuitive and closely guarded health principles you'll soon learn from our trainer.
1. How to master the mental and physical health for yourself and your family members while learning the latest discoveries that are vital in preventing, maintaining, and improving your health.
2. How to stop your family stress and worry of not knowing how to prevent the inevitable exposures to health threats during and after the global lockdown.
3. How to start new health regimes and routines from scratch to build your family's health and immune system to a level where it's never been before. And you'll learn how to do it in a way that is 100% safe, natural, and budget-free.
I know, of course, it sounds good, but in fact, it's your single greatest opportunity to finally uncover what the elite of the world's top health advisors know, and that's our promise.
In fact, with this 3-part Health Summit series, you'll learn how to reframe your relationship with all of your weight, stamina, and health decisions so that you can enjoy the healthy and energetic lifestyle that you've always dreamed of.
That's right, Sandra, and there's just one more thing left to do, because at this moment, you're 1 click away from registering for the Health Squad Summit, delivered into your family room, and everyone, including you, your family, your children, if you have any, your spouse, gets a VIP front row seat at 0 cost.
So please register now while it's still fresh in your mind, because the entire process takes less than 2 minutes. But what you learn during those 3 magical nights could change your family's health future forever.
After you register, please pay it forward and refer our private registration page to other families, to your relatives, to loved ones, to friends who you believe also deserve to get access to this very important event. Because you see, we believe that families that learn together succeed together. Okay, that's it for now. Get registered now, pay it forward, and we'll see you on the other side.